The STATMed Boards Test-Taking Workshop is designed for medical students, physicians, and those in related medical fields, like veterinarians, who identify as bad test takers when it comes to medical board exams. For most struggling test takers, test taking is murky, mysterious, and chaotic.
Because they have 300 or 400 applicants for 4 spots, their first line of defense is board scores. And so if you don't pass the boards, you automatically are off their list.
We can fix that by teaching you to replace this chaos with a deliberate, methodical, consistent process that we call the STATMed Test-Taking Blueprint. We do this in our boards workshop, which is already rigidly built, and we walk you through it step by step from the outset. You're either with me or my colleague David. STATMed is just the two of us, and we sequentially work you through the workshop in a combination of 3 modalities. Part 1 is live, online, 1-hour, one-on-one Zoom meetings. Part 2 involves you watching on-demand video modules. And Part 3 is doing homework, applying the STATMed method to your own chosen practice questions relevant to your upcoming board exam. We know how busy med students and physicians are, so we customize your meeting schedule to make it work for your busy lifestyle. Our boards workshop clients say things like, I excel clinically, but then fail on the boards. Okay. They might say, I always narrow to 2 answer options and always pick the wrong one. They might say, I consistently miss questions, and then when I read the explanation, I'm like, what happened? I knew that. They might say, I miss a huge percentage of questions, from 30 to 60% or more, that I shouldn't miss due to the way I'm reading and thinking about questions. Arg. Look, you're probably doing the same handful of mistakes over and over again on an infinite mix. You just don't know what they are because you're not getting the right feedback to change the behaviors. That's why the advice of just do more questions is often not helpful enough for many who do the STATMed Boards workshop. This is not about beating the test. It's about putting you, the bad test taker, in control of your test taking so you can consistently show what you know on test day. If this sounds like a good fit for you, click here or email us to find out more. Thanks for watching.